Oh man, I'm so wet. Dude. It is really freaking wet out here. Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that came from a box from exoticnudes.com. Go to exoticnudes.com and use the coupon code RamenRater15 for 15% off your order, and that ain't too shabby. So this is from Wang. Wang. Usually it's a long A. A. O. U. E. Wang. Katsuo Udon. Okay. Why is it Katsuo Udon? Because it comes with katsuobushi, which is basically it's a smoked fish. You get a fish, you smoke it, you get it really dry, and then you shave it. Now, shavings are often called fish floss or fish foo or whatever you want to call it. Fish bits. Fish sticks, I don't know. But this one is microwavable. So you have a bowl. This is a Korean product, but most definitely a export version. So you get a pouch. Where's the little notch? I see no notch. Ah, the notch. Right there. Just because I see it, folks, doesn't mean it's not there. Because, whoa. Yeah, I don't, see too well. Cut it. Alright. There's the noodles. And the lid for my trash can is really ticking me off. Bye-bye, lid. That's enough of you. Push this down. Where's that line? Right there. Okay. And then you add the liquid soup. Isn't soup usually a liquid? I've always heard liquid soup, not dry soup. Then we add hot water. So I'm just going to use hot tap water. Up to that crazy, crazy line. And here we go. Coming up to the line. One toke of line. Yeah, there we go. All right. We good? And then it says you leave this loosely on. Hocus pocus, loosely on. Set it on there. Now, my best bet is that this is going to need to be at 800 watts. That's a safe amount. Door! Three minutes. Power level. Oh, wait a second. I'm going to do power level of 70%. I'm going to put this in here. Cook factor 10. Engage. I gotta put a little flourish on it. I mean, I'm hitting start on a microwave. But now it's time, ladies and gentlemen, for the part of the show that you all know and love. It is time for the blockbuster brand new novel. Actually, it's really old. Momofuku Ando Speaks, by the inventor of the instant noodle. If you're a Star Trek fan, this is much like a Ferengi Rules of Acquisition for the Noodle universe. So let's get right to it. I think we didn't do this one. It doesn't sound familiar. Number 17. Oh, wait. Number 19, that's where we're at. However excellent an idea may be, it is of no use to anyone unless it is in step with the times. So, you gotta be current with your ideas. Get with that. Although you could bring back something that's not so current. Yeah? I don't know. Far be it from me to question the late great Momofuku Ando. That would be bad. And I don't want to be bad. So, still feeling kind of funky. Decided it'd be a good idea to do a mukbang yesterday. I don't think that really bothered me all that much. And still working on intros and outros for this show. That's like my favorite thing to do, man. I really like to do video editing an awful lot. So the more of that I can do and the more weird stuff I can do with it, hey, it's fun. I really like it. And today is Thursday, September 3rd. We had another day of school. Getting things ironed out. Little hitches to kind of get ironed out, but really nothing all that crazy. And yeah, pretty smooth. Actually got out and walked this morning. Did maybe like 4 miles, I think. Not a lot, really not a lot, but it's been really hard to get out this week. Just been kind of in that taking care of myself kind of deal, which is weird, but whatever. Ooh. This is hot. Very hot. Ooh, steamy. Okay. I'm gonna dump it in this pot, I think, for safety's sake. There we go. Oh, so yesterday something happened that's just ridiculous. So we've got 2 kids. We have a Honda Odyssey, right? Does that just kind of go without saying these days? Anyways, so we just wanted one that had a DVD player on it. It was like, that's really our main thing that we wanted, because that makes going places that much easier, right? Well, like, okay, well, we don't have one in this one, so we'll have to have it sent somewhere to get it installed. So they install it. It's not built into the stereo system. It's got its own speakers, and it's on the inside on the roof. The thing flips down, and it plays through its own speakers. It's lame. Okay, it's just really a lame fix for it. Can't wait till our lease is up and we can like do something else. But yeah, it's just been a pain in the butt. And then it started eating DVDs. I mean, they go in, they ain't coming out. So she called up the place, and they're like, okay, bring it on in. We'll get it going. Well, in the meantime, of course, it decided to spit out the DVD. And so, after work, she's all done. She's tired. She's ready to come home big time. So she goes in there, and the guy tries to make it do it again. And he can't get it to suck on a CD for the life of him. He can't make it, like, get stuck. Well, they're gonna look at this and say there's nothing wrong with it and just send it back. I tell ya. Personally, in my opinion, one of the most annoying places to go is a place here in Washington State called Linwood Honda. I'm putting it in those terms because you may have had a good experience there, but generally, I am not happy with the experience that we've had there. It's like, come on. But, you know, I don't think a lot of places people go like, yeah, I got a new car and it was really quick. It only took like 20 minutes. Every time we go there, it takes like 4 freaking hours. I don't know why they do that. I'm sure one of you guys knows. But it's just like, all we want to do is just like, you know, we don't want to deal with you. We just want to walk away from this. It's just a nightmare every freaking time. And anytime, I mean, we got, what was it? One of the conditions is we got free maintenance. Well, of course they don't have any maintenance appointments for any time that's like convenient, so luckily we don't have to pay for it because getting stuff done at the dealership is ridiculously expensive too. So we're just kind of in this deal. And that's that. But yeah, we're planning on going to scatter my mom's ashes later this month. Up on Mount Rainier, got the permit, got that all good and done up. Well, you know what's gonna happen as soon as we leave. A DVD's gonna get stuck. And the guy's like, you know, if you get another DVD stuck in there, just bring it on in. Like, are words not good enough for you? Okay, just can't replace it? Yummy. I will say yummy. I like the udon. Look at that broth. There's a lot going on there. There's lots of katsuobushi. That was the last sachet I put in. And there's a lot of vegetable. Katsuobushi ends up being like a salty tuna. Right? I like that. Put a little piece of fish cake right there. Little fishy fish cake. Got some spring onion. A little mountain of that right here. Trying to think what else I should throw in, but I really am. Maybe a little bit of pepper flake. Maybe a little bit of sesame seed. I know, it's really kind of like kicking a dead horse on this part. There we go. And well, honestly, oh, you know what I should put in there? I should have thought of this. I should have put in some God, what do you call it? Flour foo. I could put it in there now. Why don't I do that? Flour foo. Who wants some foo? Foo. Well, I don't know exactly where my foo went. Foo. I think I've... Oh, here we go. Here's the flour foo. You know, Nope, I'm not gonna put that in there. It's udon, for God's sake. I'm gonna go with this. And this is like a seafood infused tempura mixture. This is very fitting. It's enjoyable. And there you are. Now. There you go. And you guys know who Toots Thielmans is? I doubt it. It's okay if you don't. You might know who the Oscar is. I'm a harmonica player. I should play some on the next episode. How about that? I'll play some. And let's let Rotato take us out. Alright! This has been your friend and mine, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Don't go changing. Have a good one.